Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're going to be unboxing the Senix 5-inch brushless angle grinder. Pretty excited about it. Scored it on eBay, new in box for $20 plus like $6 shipping. But here we go. Okay, comes with a manual, comes with a tool. Feels good. Looks good. But yeah, comes with a guard and then comes with a handle. I gotta say, man, I'm super impressed with these Senix tools. This is my second Senix tool over here in the Milwaukee case. Got the Senix 1,400 pound brushless impact 1/2 inch. But yeah, I figured I just was browsing and seen this on eBay for $20 plus $6 shipping. It's usually $119. It was from an individual. I guess they ordered it tool only or something and didn't have the battery or charger. I don't know, something stupid like that. But yeah, anyway. I like the switch, the on and off switch. The arbor looks good. Let's stick a battery in it. Oh, and another thing on these Senix tools is I love the way the battery clips in. It's very solid. Well, it works. And I'll be back with some tests, cutting some stuff. But yeah, anyways, I'm definitely in love with this brand. This has replaced my Milwaukee. But yeah, that's about it. Okay, y'all, here she is, fully outfitted. All I had was a piece of a 4.5. This will accept up to a 5-inch disc. But yeah, it seems to work really well. It's super smooth. Okay, let's go do some test cuts. Okay, let me see if I can do this one-handed here, but we're gonna be cutting a Honda subframe bolt. Oh yeah, plenty of power.